Christopher, Mariana, ready? Okay, let's try one more time without the infinite symbol. Just with your hands because it helps to Christopher a lot. One more time. I want that we review something that we learned before. Do you remember the last week, Omar, we were learning about pictograph and what else? Something that has like this. Bar graph. Very good, Omar. So we're going to be using actually these sticks up as a bar to take a look and measure. But before we do that, I want that we keep in mind this. This is a short definition for you to have clear what is a graph. Kiara, will you please read it for us? Graph help. Christopher, go back. Someone say that one, please.
Graphs help you to sort and organize information.
Thank you so much.
Big idea.
Yes, we're going to read the big idea in a moment. Oh, be careful, please, with your hand. So, Omar, as she said, we sort. What do you mean sorting? For example, if I have all these pairs, what should I do? Should I count them like that, or should I sort and separate them per color? So that is sorting. You separate, you put them into categories. So graph help us do that. Help us to organize, to sort things by categories. What it could be a category? The color. What other category could be? The size. Okay? So sometimes the categories could be related to something that you like or you dislike. Yes, you're right. Remember also that we were learning today the preface. It teaches you when you add a new word to the beginning of another word. So, and that's, an example could be dislike. So we use graph to sort things that we like, sometimes the way that we dislike. Can you help us to read the big idea?
Big idea?
How?
How the graph and counting marks how people
Count. Now, can you please, Theodore, move back, please? Respect his own space. Theodore, respect his own space. Class.
Yes.
It's not time to lay down on the carpet. When we watch a video, we can lay down on the carpet. And I notice some of you are laying down on the carpet. Sit down, brother, please. Thank you so much. Listen carefully. Samuel, you tell us that the big idea is how to graph and telemarks help people to count. But what is a telemark?
Oh, I know.
Hold on, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes.
A telemark is a black line.
We'll go back with you.
A black line and called a telemark.
What can you add to what she said? What is for you a telemark? She said something related to a black line. But what that black line means?
Telemark, like how much it is, and it is like number, and tell you if there is like 7 dinosaurs or like 5 to 10, 3 to 10, 100 like 6.
So when you say those numbers, what are you doing? Are you reading or counting? So telemarks help you to? Help you to count. Omar, do you agree or disagree with him? You agree with him. So we use, you agree with Samuel too? And you agree with him too? Perfect. So yes, Samuel, Kiara, you were right. We use telemarks and they look like black lines and we use them to count. And you know what? We can make counting easy, Athena, when we use the telemarks. Last week we were counting by
5.
using the telemarks, and we were counting by
10.
10. There we go.
And 100 and 3.
for a walk? Okay. Do you want to go for some water to be ready? I'm tired too. Can we read a little bit together? We're almost done. And I have a Kahoot for you at the end of this class. But you need to wear heart rate. You'll be helping to pass the items to your friend. Come, please. Sit down next to me. Samuel, sit down next to me, please. Thank you. You'll be my helper, okay? Look, all of them, including you, will be using, what are those? You know what are those? No, manipulative. Manipulative. So Christopher said, I'm going to this, will be using manipulative because what? To see how a graph look like. Here, Kira, how many bars do we have? And someone help me with the second one. One. Three. Now, can you use cubes and put 3 cubes together? Someone, you will help me to find one that has a cube. And you put it here to your friends so you can remember that one. Exactly. Exactly, very good. Can you show to the class, please? Can you put it up and show to the class? Look, Samuel will give to you this bar that has 3, so they can put it close to. They can put your 3. They will compare. Look, this is what they will do. They will compare. That 3 cubes look like this, but a bar with 3 looks like this. We want them to learn to compare. Now, can you give nicely to the girls? No, give it to them nicely. There we go. Let's make a bar graph. There we go. By Robin Nelson. And here they have a bar graph that is called kinds of pets. So people vote for their favorite pet. What is your favorite pet?
Dog.
Raise your hand if you like dogs.
Cat and dog.
Cats and dogs.
Puppy.
Puppy is a baby dog.
Puppy. Puppy. Kitty. Kitty. Candy. Puppy.
Okay, now let's read the story and we continue with this amazing conversation during lunchtime. So they say, let's make a bar graph. Nan has a cat. Nan wants to ask her classmates about their pets. Oh, how many classmates do you have there? What do you think?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sometimes we do not count. Guess what? We subatize. Subatize is recognize a number without counting. So guess what, Athena? We are learning about how to read a data, how to interpret a data.
What is it? Yes.
It's information that you get after you do the survey.
Yes, more people like dogs. Yes.
So, remember, every time that we have 4 lines and when it goes across, it means 5. That's subatize. You don't count, you just look at it and you say, oh, that's 5. You just look and recognize. Okay, go to Google Classroom, please. The game pin is here. It's 6, 10, 8, 7, 9, 2. If you go to your Google Classroom and you go to Graph, you will have the Kahoot website there. You go to Google Classroom. Some of you actually remember how to look there on the you open here. Graph today's word. And the Kahoot link is there.
Can you please have
This one. But if you don't know, remember that I said that you can go to Google Classroom. It's also easy from Google Classroom. Very good. Yes, and there is most of you are getting there. Which sport was least popular? What do you mean least?
less.
Less. There you go. We have soccer, softball, basketball, or other.
I think it's other. Yes, it's other. I think it's yellow.
Don't say the answer, remember. You can work with a team. You can, Athena and Samuel can work together. Omar and Theodore, because they're close. And Kiara and Christopher can work together if they want.
I don't want to. Yeah.
Let's get ready. It says, how many students like soccer and basketball? How many students like soccer and basketball? Do we need to add or subtract?
I don't know.
Add, very good. We add the amount that choose soccer and the amount that choose basketball. So we have soccer is 9 plus basketball is 6. 9 plus 6. How much is 9 plus 6? Yes, you can use the fingers. You can use the tips if you want to watch.
I don't think we have that much time.
You can put one number in your head and use the fingers to count the other one. Exactly, you can use tips. You still have some minutes.
7, 10, 8.
Where's mine? Becca, what is here? I'll be sitting next to you because we're getting a little bit confused.
13, 14. Oh, now I got it right. 16.
You still have some minutes. Let's see. Remember, we have materials, so you can use manipulative if you want to count. Oh, very good. Oh, another question that is similar. How many students like hot dogs and pizza? What do we have to do? Add or subtract? Add. What numbers do we need to add? The people that voted for hot dogs and the one that voted for pizza. How much was pizza? Look, you can do here. You can take the minute and here.
Both of them.
5. This one?
You can be
No, 5 this one.
10.
Here you go. This one. 11. Now, hold on.
It must be 16, maybe. It's 16. It is 16. Yeah. It must be 15. I know it's 16. It's 16. 16. No.
Oh, Samuel, you're on fire.
I am in fire.
How many people have bears as pets?
Me.
Look at the picture. Picture graph. What says the picture graph? Don't say it. Just look and you only can share with your partner. That's it.